Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you a process for how you can create a poll in Messenger. Now to begin the process, you open the Messenger application on your mobile device. Now once you have opened your Messenger, you need to go to the Messenger group chat. You tap on the group. Now here you need to go and tap on the Messenger box, and from there you tap on the four dotted square box, and there you will see the option of poll. You tap on poll. Now you type in the question or what is your poll about. So here I'm going to type in the question. Then below you need to provide the option. If you want to provide another option, you tap on add option, and there you type in the another option for your poll. Then tap on create poll, and just with that you have created a poll on your Messenger. This is how the poll will appear in Messenger conversation. Hope this video was useful on how you can create a poll in Messenger. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.